Hi everyone, I wanted to share you a part of my childhood and life related to my personality type. When I was 2 years old at kindergarten, I realized I was different from others, that we were all different. I felt apart from others, a little distant and detached from the environment. I didn't understand why I had to go in school, be with others. They were all taking a nap, not me. I didn't understand why we had to sleep, whereas it was not the night. When we were all in circle to sing and play, I didn't find it funny. I was bored, I felt empty. I didn't see the meaning or the utility to do this. I didn't understand why the children were drawing the sky in white and the cloud in blue, if it's the reverse in reality. Play was boring, do the same thing that other reproducing was boring too, because it was too easy for me. I felt the need to do things differently. Later, I wondered why we had to line up in twos if we were an odd number. I was often lonely at the end. During sport or game in teams, I was always the last to be chosen. At 6th grade, we had to take an assessment test in math and French. I was ashamed because I was first or second in the two tests. At 7th grade, in math class, we had to build with thick paper more and more complex three-dimensional shape with only the edge. I love to do that. I was always one or two steps ahead of the other. In middle school, certain people often laughed at me, but I never answered, I ignored them. I didn't react, but I never forgot. Until the day I pushed one against the locker. After that, they stopped to bother me. In the bus, it was similar. Always other human to laugh at me or push me. In high school, something similar. Two people in my class were laughing and pushing my chair. One day in English class, I stood up, angry at them. I didn't remember what I told them, but the teacher didn't tell me anything. At athletics, the sport I done because my father wanted me to do, same, always a guy to mock at me. At home, I was often in my bedroom, played puzzle or logic game on computer, or did artistic activity, create, transform thing, or draw. I was always quiet and wise. I never complained, preferred to be lonely. My parents could let me alone at home without problems. I never asked help for homeworks or anything else, and I knew they couldn't help me. I wanted to do everything lonely. I didn't like being told what to do several times in a row. The more I was told to do one thing, the more it annoyed me, and the less I want to do it. Why often I had to do things, activity and sport that others and parents wanted me to do, and not what I wanted to do. I didn't like the sports, athletics for a long time. I didn't like the holiday centers. I didn't like vacation. I preferred to be at school than to hear my father yelled for nothing important. I didn't understand why my father yelled and punished us if we did nothing wrong. I had the impression that I was not allowed to express myself, and when I did it, or when they asked me to talk, they asked me to shut up. When I told something important to me, or tried to say my opinion, often I was ignored or yelled at. Always afraid to be yelled, judged, criticized, hit, hurt. Always follow the rules, the order. And if I ask why, they answer me, because it's like this, don't ask questions. No emotional support and no problem solved. My mother didn't understand why I always did things differently than the other. Sometimes she didn't understand what I said or told me. What does it mean? Or how do you know this? Why the society expects us to be and function the same if we were all different and function differently, similar or the same, depending of our personality type. I never understood why we have to let the last chocolate or biscuit to be polite. Why we had to touch people or kiss them to say hello. Why we follow rules which are written nowhere that we call social rules or social norms. Why we have to celebrate birthday, Christmas, New Year, other holidays if it's a temporary happiness or maybe fake happiness. During all my life, I often wonder why, question everything, not to annoy people, but because I really want to know, to understand everything, as if for me, not understand something is a problem to solve. I notice the inconsistencies, the details that are wrong, the things that do not work, the strange behavior, the people who lie, when what they tell don't match with their behavior and facial expression. When people have emotion, cry or yell, I wonder why and what reason that triggered this emotion. All my life, people told me I was lazy, shy, not confident, or slow. That I took too much time or think too much. That I didn't know what I want. I often feel like I am underestimated. I think that people think I am stupid. I never told bad things about other people. It doesn't worth it to waste my time and energy for it. I speak only when it's necessary to say information that are useful, good or true. I generally know what is essential or not. I often have a good idea or advice to share or a solution to bring. I constantly analyze everything, want to know why, understand, learn, guess the past, the cause, or the future, the consequence, the conclusion. For me, everything is a problem to solve. I think a lot, to everything or almost. I think deeply, I feel deeply. Small talk take my energy. People, real world, too much sensory can overwhelm me and take energy. I prefer the loneliness or have a deep connection or conversation with someone. I prefer the calm and the night. My favorite weather is thunderstorm. I hate and avoid conflict because the emotion can stress me. I don't know how to react to this, and I know the emotion don't solve problems. I see and analyze everything from all point of view. I am open-minded. Most of the time, I am in my mind thinking to the next thing to do or to solve. Misunderstood from most of people, both detached from the world and fascinated by it. I am just INTJ, mastermind, architect, analyst, problem solver, paradox. We are all different, similar or the same, depending of our personality type. Take care of yourself and see you in the next video.